the random quiz of the planets.
Okay. How many total planets are there?
There are 8 planets,
And dwarf planets?
6 dwarf planets. There are 9 planets because there's also the sun.
Okay. What are the names?
But sun is only a star. The names of the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And the dwarf planets are Ceres, Haumea, Makemake, Pluto, Eris, Sedna.
Okay. This is drawn by you?
Yes.
Okay.
But
How far is Mercury from the sun?
36 million miles. It takes the least time to run.
Okay. How far is Venus from the sun?
67 million miles.
How far is Earth from the sun?
93 million miles.
How far is Earth from the sun?
93 million miles.
How far is Venus from the sun?
67 million miles.
How far is Neptune from the sun?
2794 million miles.
How far is Jupiter from the sun?
483 million miles.
And how far is Uranus?
2871 million miles.
How far is Mars from the sun?
It is 142 million miles.
How far is Saturn from the sun?
1429 million miles.
Great. How long it takes for each planet to revolve around the sun?
Mercury takes 59 Earth days for 1 day and 88 Earth days for 1 year.
Yeah.
And Venus takes 243 Earth days to make 1 day and 225 Earth days to make 1 year. And Earth takes 365.25 days to make 1 year, Earth days to make 1 year, and 24 hours to make 1 day.
Okay. And how long it takes for the Neptune?
It takes almost 165 Earth years.
And how far it takes for the Jupiter?
It takes 10 hours to make 1 day and 12 Earth years to make 1 year.
And how about Uranus?
Uranus takes 84 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Pluto takes 248 years to orbit the Sun. Saturn takes 29 years to orbit the Sun. And Mars takes 687 days to orbit the Sun.
Okay. What gas the sun is made up of?
Hydrogen and helium, gas like a balloon.
How much is the percentage
And what?
of the hydrogen and helium in sun?
Hydrogen is 75%, helium is 25%.
How hot is the sun?
27 million temperature is Fahrenheit.
What is the diameter of the sun?
1,380 million.
Do you know the diameter of any other planets?
I know Neptune's 49,532,000. I know Pluto's 2,302,000
Miles or blocks?
blocks.
Okay.
And Saturn is almost 122 blocks. 120,536,000 kilometers.
Okay. And how many are the gas giants planets?
What?
What are the gas giant planets?
Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
Do you know about the moons of the planets?
I know a little bit about the moon.
Tell me the names of the moons of the planets.
We only know the main ones.
Okay.
Earth's moon, we know only moon. But
Okay.
we call it Luna.
Okay.
Martian moons are Phobos and Deimos. They are all the moons. Jupiter's moons, the main ones are Io, Ganymede, Europa and Callisto. Saturns are Titan, Dione, Rhea, Tethys, and Iapetus.
Okay.
And my mass does it.
Is it the only solar system
What do you mean?
in the universe?
No, there are many solar systems.
Mm-hmm.
There are many solar systems, but 1 billion planets in our galaxy are similar to our Earth.
Okay.
Milky Way is so large that we are in the Milky Way. That is the galaxy. In the center of the Milky Way, there is a black hole. Milky Way has 300 billion stars inside it. In 4.5 million years, we're going to crash into another galaxy.
Okay. There are many galaxies out there?
Yeah, there are many galaxies. There are infinity. There are millions of in one universe.
Okay. And there is another universe also?
Yes, there are infinity numbers of universe.
Okay.
There are even verses which are bigger than universe.
Okay. And how many planets are there in our galaxy? Sorry, in our solar system?
There are altogether 8 planets, including the sun. It becomes 9. Solar system, there are 397 planets.
Okay. Great.
There are 4 climates that exist on the Earth:
Oh, what are those?
polar, dry, tropical, and moderate. That's it.
And how about the season?
Seasons are also the climates.
Okay. So what?
But the seasons are summer, spring, winter, and autumn. Sometimes we call autumn fall.
Okay. So what planet has the organic life on it?
On the Earth,
Why?
because it has land, sea. It's the best place where it looks like to put life. And if it was closest to the sun, we would burn. If it's furthest from the sun, we would freeze. So it's in the Goldilocks zone where life is allowed only.
Okay.
It has any number of temperature. It's not too cold, not too hot. So that's why it's only planet with organic life.
Great. How many total species Earth has?
There are 8.7 million species on Earth. These are things how we can live, their nature, and things to survive. So we can stay for more time.
Living things. Okay.
There are living things also, like animals. Jupiter.
Tell me something about the climate, atmosphere on every planet.
Pause. Venus has clouds which are orange. They are almost acid clouds. Their clouds make no rain, and they are stormy clouds because it's so hot. And it has an orange sky on it. When the sun sets on Mars, the sky is blue. When the sun sets on Earth, the sky is orange. But Uranus seasons last for 20 years.
Okay. The gas giant rings are made out of what?
Jupiter rings are made of dust, so you can see them. Saturn rings are made of ice and dust. No, ice and dust. Uranus rings are made of little bit dust, so you can see them. Neptune's rings are made out of rocky chunks.
Okay, that's all about the planets for now.
No.
What else you want to say?
That this. Scientists were fighting. Scientists were fighting because they want Pluto to be a planet or a dwarf planet. So they are fighting.
So what is the conclusion?
What does conclusion mean?
What planet is Pluto now?
Now it's a dwarf planet.
Okay, what are the conditions for the planet?
They are round in shape. They have a proper spin. They are not so small. They are right, and they are the right color, right orbit. They have a clear around. They have a clear around its orbit. So that's why it's a planet.
Okay, great. That's all?